everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1966 Chevrolet Nova. Now, it's got the SS trim all around it, but this is not an original Super Sport car. It's just a Super Sport tribute. Killer little car, though, guys. Buddy of mine, David's the one who found me this car. It's out of Tennessee. Car went through a complete body-up restoration 3 years ago. Very nicely done. He said a 77-year-old man had the car. He's the one who restored it. It's got a good running 327. Engine underneath the hood, dual quads, Muncie 4-speed, but not overbuilt. It's built to cruise, runs good, but not super fast. You can see it's finished in Marina blue with the matching interior. Again, it's got all the SS trim and badging on it, but it is not an original Super Sport. Very nice underneath, guys. I mean, really pretty underneath, as you'll see in the pictures. Chrome and stainless, very nice on the car. I've seen the one little mark. I'm sure he probably pulled too far forward in his garage. But a lot of the SS badging is actually probably off an original Super Sport car. Again, they've replaced the bumpers and a lot of the trim, but a lot of the SS badging actually looks a little bit aged. So I'm assuming he either had another Nova or just had some extra badging or something, because some of the badging's actually aged. Paint's real nice, interior's nice. That's another thing you can get in there. I think that's an original SS interior that he put in the car. Other than a couple of little touch-up marks, I didn't see much that you could really nitpick on the car. Again, pretty paint, really drives down the road nice, shifts out good. Doors open and close real nice. Again, look at this SS tail panel. I mean, it shows some age. So like I said, I think he probably had an original SS car that he used some of the pieces to actually build this car. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, the car's beautiful underneath. "15-inch GM rallies," got the flat caps. Those are BF Goodrich Silvertown radial redline tires. They have converted it to front disc brakes. Pretty paint. I think he said this is a 67 engine. 67. 327 cubic inch engine. You can see it's got dual Edelbrocks on it with an Edelbrock aluminum intake. GM double hump heads. Of course, it's got the GM high performance Ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Manual steering, pretty standard in a 4-speed car. Manual disc brakes, again, pretty standard. This car would have came to the factory with drums. Look how nice and clean the shock towers are. Harrison radiator with the shroud. It's a Muncie 4-speed manual trans. They have upgraded it to an HEI Pro Billet distributor. Open the trunk, Mike. We're not starting it yet. There's a stone pack on it. I saw one. It wasn't on this door. It might have been on the other side. Say that's original A-pillar chrome. Looks pretty doggone nice. Stainless is nice on the car. Those have definitely been replaced. New door rubbers. Door skins are nice and clean. Now, the door pads are definitely new. I think that's a complete, he's got the SS steering wheel, he's got the SS console, so I believe he probably, and I think this is the original carpet. This car's only got 83,000 original miles on it, so that's probably the original carpet. I have ordered all new, the blue rubber mats. I like the rubber mats in the 4-speeds when I can get them. I think they're just a little safer. 225 bucks, guys, can you believe that? Because I guess there's a shortage of the rubber mats, so they're on the way. Oh, I've ordered the armrest in the back. We've got the base. It needs a little armrest pad to go on it. Headliner's nice. Again, it's got the SS steering wheel, but again, it's not a super sport. Again, 83,733 on the odometer. That's the original miles. I don't know how many miles since he restored the car. AM radio. I believe the blower worked. The radio did not. The parking brake does work. New dual exhaust. Again, very nice underneath. It's got the factory 10-bolt 308 rear end, so definitely something you can get in and cruise on the highway. Again, you can see original numbers on your quarters. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. And again, very, very nice underneath. Again, got you some good pictures of the bottom of the car. It is clean. Very, very nicely done. Yeah, the rubber mats for this car, 129 bucks. 225 for the doggone blue mats. But I've got them. They're on the way. When you're shifting gears, I don't like the carpeted mats underneath because they move. You can definitely tell he repadded, refoamed, recovered the seats. Padded dash, it's nice. Hearse shifter, SS console, that's in real nice shape. Again, stainless is real nice. It definitely replace those door handles. Yeah, nothing crazy. Does run good, but pump gas engine, hits the road nice. Nothing crazy. Shifts out good, nice and tight. Really nice car. Fuel gauge works. Everything else is just on the lights in the dash. You can see, oh, there's a little, there was something on the door. Doors open and close real nice. Brake lights, turn signals. I know the backup lights do not work. Give it a little rev, Mike. Pump gas engine, hits the road good. No on the radio, again, stock AM. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers. Headlights. Turn signals. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. He is.
Have a great day, guys.